back and it's December 21st, which means it's the winter. Winter is here. Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming. But yeah, we gotta clean up because Christmas is also coming. You know, Christmas doesn't wait. Oh, you hear that? Somebody's vacuuming, but also my socks are lit. Are you gonna put it away?
Will you promise me to take me for a haircut?
Yeah, I'll take you for a haircut, but look, I even piled all your stuff so nicely in one spot so you don't have to go gather it. Now all you have to do is put it away.
Come here, let me punch you in the face with this.
No.
See if it hurts.
Punch yourself in the face. How's that feel?
It doesn't hurt in the head.
Yeah, give yourself a concussion.
Give the camera, let me punch
Smart.
let me punch the audience in the face and see if it hurts them.
No.
Yeah.
No. 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 We're having a party tomorrow, and this is how my mom has left the basement. Oh my god. She says I'm a disaster. At least I shove my stuff in a closet and call it a day. It's gonna take a while. Gotta get some tunes going for this one.
One eternity later.
Christina thinks that people come to the parties for her, but they come for me, not her.
I said no, I've always been cool. Said that I'm only cool because of you.
It's true though. Guys only come to party to get smacked in beer pong by me, so it's true.
It's true.
No, it's only half. Bye, copyright. You suck. YouTube sucks. Copyright. Bye.
This was here before. Alright, we're going to sports club.
Oh, it smells like
Sports
farts. It smells like farty
It's not
Chipotle.
farts. That's freaking good food.
Shit, Chipotle ass.
Okay, bye. Have fun.
What are you doing?
12 seconds later.
Woo! Nah, I'm not actually pretty sad. We have to go before the party so they can see my fire cuts.
Okay, you can go tomorrow morning with someone.
Okay, let's go home.
Dollar store. Cause kids aren't allowed to eat them. They're too hot. Salt and vinegar ruffles. Pretty strange. Hi, could I get one of the $5 McPick meals?
Yes. Would you like a duty chicken or a McDouble?
The McDouble, please.
Perfect. What drink would you like?
What drink do you want?
A root beer.
A root beer?
Okay.
And do you guys have hot mustard?
Hot mustard right now? I believe so.
Okay, could I have a pack of that to go?
Is that everything?
Yeah, that's it. Thanks.
Yes,
You know, you can get hot chocolate with it.
That's nice. But I don't want hot chocolate. I don't want hot chocolate. I want root beer.
You can get like
I tried to be cool by putting my putting the camera in the mirror
your face in it.
and getting my face, but
The window's too tinted.
very booty. But no, wait.
There's no button. You have to roll.
See, soup. Hey, I'm cool.
Very cool, dude. Are you ready? She drops it. Do I get 2 free?
Yep.
Yes, thank you. Oh.
Why are you driving away? This car doesn't sound too good, eh, Chris?
It's not that. It's because it's stick. What's going on here? Look at these guys waiting. Suckers.
Suckers!
We got our food. You guys have to wait.
Boosties.
How much did you order? 6 burgers?
10.
I take him for a haircut, no haircut. So he wants food, the little baby. Oh my god, this guy is trying not to get his jacket dirty, so look how he's eating. Fat ass.
Should have done done a time lapse.
That's so
Should have done a
finished.
time lapse, but if it was a time lapse, it would have been done like this. You wouldn't have seen it.
Finished before we got through the light. Oh shit, advanced green. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Skirt, skirt.
What, that put sprinkles? That put the sprinkles on. Don't do it nice. Don't destroy it.
Oh wait.
I want. Eat it. It's strawberry.
Eat it, eat it, eat it.
With somebody saying some dumb shit, look at them like this and say, shut the fuck up.
It's so weird.
Is it
Do you want a spoon? No.
No.
In all,
It
it's
tastes like
only.
it
It just tastes like.
So Alex spilled the drink.
The vlog you said Andrew was so funny.
Oh yeah? I know.
So funny.
We gotta clean it because Alexandra's the best. If my mom was here,
Oh, she'd freak out.
The next day.
Merry Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve, and I still have to wrap my presents. We just did the shopping yesterday. Oh, got my little elf. Let's go wrap some gifts. I gotta make my cards. I got some blank paper. So I'm done my cards. Now I just have to figure out something nice to write in them. I have to wrap up my gifts here. This year I was Nicole's Secret Santa. Because I have 3 siblings, we just do a pick one, and whoever you get, you get. I've gotten Ethan for like the past 3 years. This is the first year I didn't get him. Alexandra thinks I have her, which is hilarious. I bought her something still to kind of throw her off the tracks. When we were shopping together, she's like, I want this. So then I went to the counter and bought it. Which I didn't have to do, but whatever. I liked it too, so I was like, we can share it. If that even happens with her. Okay. The gifts are wrapped, but I can't put names on them because if I do, then the snakes will see me putting them under the tree. They'll also recognize my handwriting and figure out whose Secret Santa I was. So I'm just gonna be like, on the day of, this is who this is for.
Later that same evening.
"'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, except for Stuart, the mouse. Now this is weird, 'cause it's never quiet in that house. The stockings were haphazardly placed on the wall, with hopes that Saint Nick would soon fill them all. A Christmas card for each family member ensured a day that everyone would remember."
Thank you, Alexandra.
Oh shit, that's next. Oh god, we're gonna be occupied.
1,000-piece puzzle.
Puzzles, they love it. We love making
See it up?
Isn't that nice?
Good job, Max.
Oh.
No, we're not doing that again. That's
Good job, Les.
Hi, vlog.
Say Merry Christmas or something. Oh my gosh, mom with the bottle of wine. Okay, yeah, at the head.
I'm not drinking anymore.
So, heard Christina snaked my footage, right, Chris? Yeah. All that like Christmas tree shopping, that was my footage. So,
Most of the
thanks for the creds, Chris.
vlog.
Bye.